With the launch of Apple Intelligence, there's a new focus mode for your iPad called Reduce Interruptions. This focus mode is intelligently powered by AI, and essentially what it's going to do is make sure that you're not disturbed unnecessarily when using your device. Only the most important notifications will come up, the rest will silently go to your lock screen. I've been using this mode now for a few weeks, and I've got to say I don't think I can ever go back to how it was before. I'm only getting messages that are important in the moment, the rest of the stuff I can come back to later when I'm not busy working. If I tap on the three dots here and then jump onto settings, I can actually customize exactly how this focus mode works. I can choose groups of people or individual people who I want to hear things from immediately, and I can also choose which apps can break through the focus mode and always notify me when something happens that's important. Here, for example, if I go on to add another app, I'm just going to choose YouTube Studio because it's right there at the top. But you could choose an app that's important to you, perhaps one that you need for your work and you can't miss anything from. This will exclude that from the focus mode, and all of those notifications will come through as normal. Everything else, however, will be triaged by Apple Intelligence. And of course, just like every other focus mode, you can set this to automatically come on at certain locations or times of the day, or you can use this new smart activation feature, which will kind of work out what you're doing and where you are, based on location, calendar events, those sort of things, and it can enable this focus mode for you. So maybe you've got a Teams meeting and you don't want to be disturbed, it will see that on your calendar and it will switch it on for you. It's really quite clever. And just like every other focus mode, we can also choose to have a lock screen and a home screen that's linked to this. All of these things work across all focus modes, but the Apple Intelligence features here to make sure that you're not disturbed really are useful to have. I'd recommend turning it on, fine-tuning it a little bit and seeing how you get on with it. It's not going to be for everyone, but I personally really enjoyed this new feature. And there are lots more things in Apple Intelligence for your iPad and your iPhone. Check out the link below to my website where there's a complete guide to what's new. And of course, as new features get added in future releases to iOS 18 over this staged rollout of Apple Intelligence, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you won't miss anything in the future. Alright, I'll see you next time.